Verasity, a project once filled with massive promises, now sitting quietly in the background while the rest of the market moves on. But here's the thing, every time a coin goes silent, that's when the biggest moves are usually loading. The question now is, can Verasity make that comeback everyone's been waiting for? Or is it slowly fading into another forgotten crypto dream? Let's talk about what could really affect Veracity's future price and why this next chapter might surprise everyone. Verasity isn't just another cryptocurrency that exists for hype. It's actually built around a powerful idea, fighting ad fraud through its proof-of-view technology. This technology is supposed to ensure that video views and ads are genuine, something that's a huge problem in the advertising industry. For years, fake views and bots have cost companies billions of dollars, and Veracity's mission has been to fix that. That's what makes it stand out among thousands of other projects. And to their credit, the team hasn't stopped building. Recently, Verasity expanded its network to the BNB Smart Chain. That move alone opens it up to a much wider range of investors, since the BNB ecosystem is massive and known for its active trading community. It also makes transactions faster and cheaper, which can attract more retail investors. Another step forward was the introduction of a fiat off-ramp inside the VeraWallet, which means users can now convert their crypto earnings into regular money directly from the platform. That's something not many smaller projects can offer, and it increases Veracity's real-world utility. Then there's the UAE's first ad exchange through VeraViews, a partnership that could play a major role in bringing Veracity into the mainstream business world. That kind of partnership shows that the team is serious about real adoption, not just crypto buzzwords. It's the type of move that could potentially attract institutional players who are looking for transparency in digital advertising. If these partnerships grow and deliver results, it could gradually drive more demand for the VRA token, and that might help its price stabilize or even start to climb again. On the community side, things are mixed. The Binance Alpha trading competition and the airdrop earlier in 2025 created a lot of hype. It drew new attention to the token and boosted short-term trading volume. But as usual, when these events end, many people take profits and move on, leaving behind selling pressure. Still, it did remind people that Veracity is alive and still building. Some community members are bullish, saying that the partnerships and developments will eventually reflect in the price. Others are more cautious, arguing that Veracity has made promises in the past that didn't deliver the expected results. This mixed sentiment creates uncertainty, and in crypto, uncertainty often keeps prices suppressed. However, there are still a few bright spots worth paying attention to. Institutional adoption of Veracity's proof-of-view technology by big publishers could be a game changer right now. I describe my stance as cautiously optimistic. Veracity still has potential, but it's not a quick profit play. It's the kind of project that might require patience and close monitoring. If the tokenomics update delivers something meaningful, if new partnerships come in, and if the market starts to recover, then VRA could finally break free from this long downtrend. But if those things don't happen soon, the price could stay low for a while longer. In the end, Veracity's future price depends on whether it can rebuild investor trust while continuing to innovate. It's a waiting game at this point, one where fundamentals are promising, but execution will decide everything. I personally believe Veracity still has life left in it, but only time will tell if it can turn all that potential into real value. What do you think? Is Veracity setting up for a major comeback, or has it missed its window in this cycle?
Programmatic advertising automates how brands reach their audience, placing ads where they'll have the most impact, efficiently and in real time. Every online ad you see is delivered by a seamless supply chain of actions. Programmatic advertising begins with brands that want to promote their products. By defining clear goals, whether it's reaching the right audience or boosting sales, they create targeted campaigns that are delivered across various online platforms. To meet their goals, advertisers rely on demand-side platforms, or else known as DSPs. They help ensure ads are delivered to the right audience at the right time. DSPs automatically bid on ad spaces in real time, using data to place ads where they'll make the most impact, ensuring that the right message reaches the right audience. Once DSPs process the campaign details, they hand the data over to supply-side platforms, known as SSPs. These platforms connect advertisers with publishers whose audiences align with the campaign goals. Supply-side platforms, or SSPs, act like marketplace managers for publishers. They connect with multiple DSPs to ensure publishers get the best deals for their ad space. By working with a wide range of advertisers and DSPs, SSPs help publishers maximize ad revenue, managing their available spaces with precision and efficiency. After SSPs find the right publishers, the next step is bidding through an ad exchange, a digital marketplace where ad space is auctioned in real time. Both DSPs and SSPs participate, bidding on available inventory. The highest bid secures the ad space, ensuring the ad reaches its intended audience. With the highest bid secure, the ad space is officially sold. The winning bid, which is essentially an ad, is now ready to move to the publisher's platform and reach the right audience. As the ad continues the journey through the programmatic pipeline, traveling seamlessly from the ad exchange to the publisher's platform, where it will be displayed to the publisher's audience. Publishers are websites, apps, or digital platforms that offer ad space within their content to advertisers. The same ad space that DSPs and SSPs bid for. By displaying these ads, publishers generate revenue and monetize their traffic. For example, a media site can host video ads within its content, giving advertisers the chance to reach the right audience while the publisher earns revenue from that ad space. As the process completes, the ad reaches its intended audience, delivering content that grabs attention and encourages interaction. Seamlessly served within the publisher's content, the ad engages the viewer, leading them to take action, whether it's clicking, viewing, or making a purchase. As the journey comes full circle, the programmatic advertising ecosystem keeps working behind the scenes, learning and optimizing with every ad served. This continuous feedback loop enables advertisers to fine-tune their strategies and helps publishers maximize their revenue. It's a real-time cycle of improvement, ensuring each ad reaches the right audience at the right time in the right place. This is the power of programmatic advertising.